Good day, Aries. I'm going to do a reading for you for the week of 20th till 26th of February 2024. Now, this is just a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay. I'm going to start by drawing an oracle card for you. Okay, you've got in the flow. Everything is smooth sailing. So it looks like you're going with the flow. Okay, and at the bottom you've got the first light, beginning a new cycle. It's like something is going right for you for a change. With no battles, no hassles. Okay, let's draw. I'm going to draw 5 cards for you. One for the theme, one for the present situation, what influenced it, the challenge, and then the possible final outcome. All right, let's get the theme for the week. Oh, you've got 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups, that can be illusions. This can be confusion, okay? Or this can be making a choice, a difficult choice. I do feel with your oracle card that said everything is smooth sailing. This confusion, illusions, I mean, okay? Okay, let's see, what is the present situation? What is the present situation? You've got the Hierophant. Now, the Hierophant's all about traditions, okay? So, I will clarify these cards once I'm finished. This Hierophant, that can be expectations, okay? What influenced the situation? You've got 10 of Swords. There was a painful ending. An ending of, it can be anything that ended. Okay, what is the challenge for the week? What is the challenge? Oopsie. You've got 8 of Swords and you've got Justice. Okay, you are feeling trapped. Like I said, there's some illusions here. You are in your head space, okay? You're overthinking, okay? Justice, this can be something legal. And if this is not something legal, then this is karma, okay? Balance. Let's see, what is... Just have a look here. Can you guys see there? Okay. Let's see what is the final possible outcome. You've got the 3 of Cups. 3 of Cups, that's a celebration. That can also be support of friends, family, might be going out, okay? You've got the Knight of Pentacles, yeah. The Knight of Pentacles, that is like very slow moving, okay? Like saving. This feels like you're saving for something. But this can be a situation that's going very slow, okay? But I do feel you in your head, yeah. This is just illusions. And there's no once here. There's no action being taken. Well, let me get another tarot deck so we can clarify. Why is the Seven of Cups here? Why is the Seven of... Okay, you've got the Eight of Cups there. Okay, great. You are... This is all illusions for this week, okay? But you're walking away from it. Forward move and getting out of rocky waters. Yeah, I said to you, you're very much in your head. You're feeling trapped, okay? You are moving away from it. There is, you can see in the boat, there's a woman and child. Okay, you are moving forward. Can be with your family or just friends, you know. You're not alone. You do have support for this new passionate beginning. Okay, you need to take a leap of faith. It's going to take hard work, but take that chance. Okay? For some of you, this might be a choice you need to make, a decision that you have to make. Okay. There can be confusion where you don't know which one to choose. All right? Because as you can see on this card, there is a snake coming out of the one cup, water out of the other one. You do not know what's underneath those cups. So there might be a difficult decision you need to make this week. Okay. For some of you, there's a higher level of commitment, yeah. Okay. Okay. I do feel for some of you, there's a court case where there can be a divorce. Okay, no need to stress out. Your oracle card says it's smooth sailing. Okay, why is the Hierophant here? Why is the... Okay, with the Hierophant, you've got the Four of Swords, Two of Swords, and the World. Okay, that is taking a break, making a choice, decision. It feels like you're at crossroads. And something is coming to completion. Okay. Something is coming to completion, yeah. Okay, for some of you might have someone in hospital, okay? But no need to worry about that. All gonna go well. Okay, why is the Ten of Swords here? You've got the Chariot here, you've got the Five of Wands, and you've got the Six of Pentacles here. So this painful ending that you had, okay, you now want to move forward, and it feels to you there is some drama, there is some obstacles, okay, or there can be some competition. right? But this feels to me, after this painful ending, there was hard work that was put into a situation, so you can have an equal give and take. All right. Or somebody might have came to you to come and help you with this struggle. Okay. Come and bailed you out with something. I don't mean literally bail out, but I mean helping you out financially. All right. Wise, Justice, and Eight of Swords here. Okay. So your challenge for this week, you need to balance yourself. Get out of that trap mindset situation. Okay. You feel alone, withdrawn because of the burdens. You're so focused on your finances or your career. This can be anything. Take it as it resonates. All right. So you need balance. And the Hermit's also telling you, go within yourself. You will get the answers. Why is the Three of Cups here? Why is the Three of Cups here? You've got the Ace of Swords at the bottom. That is communication. That is clarity. New ideas. Then you've got the Ace of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Okay. Guys, I don't think you need to stress at all here with this decision that you need to make. Okay? Confusion. There is forward movement. And you've got two aces here, so that's new beginnings. Right. That sword is cutting away the Eight of Swords. To enjoy the fruit of your labor, the fruits of your labor. Okay, I do feel you, like I said to you, this is a celebration. It can be a celebration with family, with friends. Something is going to make you very happy. Okay? There is like a clear thinking. Or this can be somebody in your energy. And I do feel with the Four of Cups, there's a gift. You just need to see this gift and grab it. You see, this guy is so focused on this three, he doesn't see this hand with the cup coming to him. Okay? Cut out what doesn't serve you. Make that clear decision that be that self-sufficient person. All right. Be honest to yourself. Okay, guys, I'm going to draw you an oracle card for your advice for the week. What does my Aries need to know? Sure. Okay. At the bottom, you've got your dreams need a practical plan. Okay, it's like I said, yeah, there's some illusions, some choices you need to make here. Okay, and they don't focus on that Three Cups, focus on that one that's gifted to you. Okay, your cup will overflow. There is a new beginning. It's going to make you happy. You need balance here. you can take yourself out of this Eight of Swords. You see? That lady's not really stuck. It's just in the mind, in the head. Okay, you've got the first card here. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. That's full moon in Pisces. Then you've got, that one was first. A fiery climax approaches. Another full moon in Aries. And then you've got a win-win outcome forecast. A full moon in Libra. Something is coming to full circle for you. All right. Just like the world, yeah. Just like really nice. This, you can see the scale on there. Something's going to balance out for you. Okay. So it's like this oracle card said to you, huh? Everything is smooth sailing. You're in the flow. I'm going to take a starlight for you. What does my Aries need to know? At the bottom, you've got full moon. Protect your energy and hold your stars close. And then you've got discover, spot new opportunities. And then you've got the dog. Take a moment to sit under the star-speckled sky, listening to crickets and breathing in the cool night air. Okay, that is like, you know, when you connect with earth, that's like grounding yourself. Okay, that's maybe what you need. Okay guys, I am sending you lots of love and light. Until next time.